Welcome. Let's learn and have fun together. Let's start.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Riya.
Oh, nice. I'm Shivansh.
Nice to meet you.
Riya, which class do you study in?
I study in class 1.
Oh, nice. I study in class 1 too.
That's great.
Hey Riya, what are you doing?
I'm reading my book.
Oh, really? What book is that?
It's my storybook.
Can I see your book?
Yes, of course.
Oh, wow. This book looks nice.
Yes, it has many pictures.
Oh, look. A for apple.
Yes, apple is red.
I like apples.
Me too.
Oh, look. B for ball.
Yes, I like playing with the ball.
Me too. Ball games are fun.
Yes, very fun.
Riya, do you like drawing?
Yes, I love drawing.
What do you draw?
I draw flowers and houses.
Can you show me your drawing?
Yes, look at this.
Wow, that looks nice.
Thank you.
Riya, do you like playing games?
Yes, I love playing.
Which game do you like?
I like playing with a ball.
Oh, look, a ball.
Yes, I like playing with a ball.
Can we play together?
Yes, let's play.
It was fun playing with you.
Yes, I had fun too.
See you next time.
Bye, Shivansh. Bye, everyone.
Thanks for watching. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलना ताकि आपको और लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलते रहें। कल मिलते हैं एक और लर्निंग वीडियो के साथ।